How to prepare for the GRE exam. More GRE tips and tricks. Besides highly recommended GRE prep course and resources, which you can find in the description below this video, here are helpful tips for GRE test preparation. GRE test consists of 3 sections: reasoning, reading comprehension, quantitative reasoning, mathematical comprehension, and writing sections. Each section consists of similar questions. Here is why this is important for the GRE prep strategy. You need to score as much as you can for all sections. Your final GRE score is a combination of scores for each section. That means low scores on one section can be cured by high scores on another section of the GRE test. So, you should approach the test from the point of return on effort. You can spend 80% of your prep effort on GRE test sections that are hard for you, and get a return of 50% correct answers for those. Or, you can spend just 50% of your GRE prep effort on sections where you excel and do better, and still get 80% correct answers on those. Even mathematically, it makes more sense to put your effort where your strength is. This way you will spend less effort with a better score return. This is what I understand now after taking many tests, including TOEFL, GMAT, LSAT, reviewing GRE, and other tests. For more excellent suggested GRE prep resources, check the links below in the video description. Good luck with your GRE exam preparation. See you in the next video.